Hello all, in this video we will see how to get work item data from queries. So we will cover in this video following agenda. The first agenda is how to get the work item data in a single flat file. Flat file means there is no parent-child relation information we will get in the data. It will be just a flat file, either bug or task, story, epics, anything. It will be straightforward. The data will be straightforward. The second will be tree. It will get all the data with all the relation, all the hierarchy. Let's take an example. Suppose you have epic. Under epic, there is a feature. Under feature, there is a story. Under story, there is a task. This all hierarchy data you can get in the second option. Tree with parent and child relation. Third is direct link. If you want to get the data with just a direct link, that means you want to get all the data from in a single story, how many tasks are there? In Epic, how many features are there? Like that relation, you will get the data. This option practically it is not very fit, but it's depend on project to project and situation to situation when you need to have the data. The fourth option is I will show you how to add or remove in the query data. Whatever the work item you want to get, if you want to add any column, you can add, or if you want to remove any column, you can remove. The fifth option, the fifth agenda is I'll show you how to download your all the work item data in a CSV file or just send the data in the email. Anything, the flat file, tree, or direct link, all these three you can either download or you send the data. The sixth option, the sixth agenda is I'll show you how to create folder of the query. So suppose you have a very massive ADO and you are writing 100 of queries. So it is difficult to keep in a single place. You have multiple projects, so you can organize your query in a separate folder. That way, your query is much more um, readable format. You can easily identify which query have written for what purpose. The seventh agenda is I'll show you how to create private and shared query. Private means it is only those resource is created. No one else can access your query. But the shared query, once you create a shared query, it will be available for other users also. The eighth agenda is the shared query you can give access. There are view access, there are read access, there is write access, even you can give a delete access to some other users also. That's all agenda I will cover in this video. Let's jumps to Azure DevOps portal. Type dev.azure.com. Okay, and you can find there is queries. Click there and you will find new query. Click on that, and these are the option by default. As soon as you click on the new query, you can see this field and operator and value. Let's see what all this is work item type. Okay, and its operator is equal, greater than, um, less than, greater than, equal, contains, whatever. Okay, and the value is, suppose the work item type, if you want only the bug, you can select only the bug. Okay, the second option is you can have operator, you can have a relationship, sorry, and or. So you can select anyone as per your need, and by default it is giving us a state, and a state equal any state. If you want only active one, you can have only active one, and just click on run query. There is no data. Let me select any and run the query. You see only two bugs are available. Let's select any and click here, so you'll find all the data. Let's if you want to add more um, operations, click on add new clause, and suppose you need only the data to a specific resource, so you assign to, and suppose you want only assigned to Afzal, to me, you can run this. These all only assigned to me. I'm just showing you all the option. I'm just deleting. If you want to remove anyone, you can delete. Even if you want to add here, you can do that. It will get added in between these two. I'm just deleting this option. I'm just removing this option. I'm just keeping this as simple. And click here to save the query for future use. Click on the save and give any name. I'm just giving test private. Okay, the folder is, I'm selecting my query. It is a private query. Later I will show you how to create a shared query. Just click on the save. This is, that's it. Okay, let's see the second agenda, tree with parent and child. You see this here, the flat list of work item. That means it is giving only the flat, right? You are not finding any relation here, right? So let's select this tree of work item. Very useful. This will give you complete relation between these two. So now as soon as you select, you see there is two option here. One is, this is the parent one, and this is the for linked one, for child one. I'm not selecting anything, but make sure don't select this type of tree duplicate. Select here parent and child, click on save, and you see this query, how is query is coming. See, all the relations are coming. See, this is epic, this is a feature, this is story, under story, all the childs are coming. Okay, this is the second one is cover. Let's have a third one, which is I in the introduction also I told I have never used that and I didn't find very helpful, but it depend on situation and the project. Select the third one, work item with a direct link, and just run this. In this also you will get two option, one for parent, one for one child. Child means only one level of child. It is not going to give you complete hierarchy. So but it will have a lot of duplicates. Okay, sorry. You see this duplicate means it is giving one level hierarchy. So epic, and then feature, and then feature, then again it is related all the epics and stories. Okay, and the story again it is giving relation, so that way it is a little bit clumsy and it is not very clear on the data. So I will say avoid this option. Let's go back again to the flat file option, and I will show you all other agenda. Let me go back again and run the query. Okay, and here is the option. I'll show you how to add remove column. Click on this three dot and column option, and you can add column here, anything. See, accepted area, accepted by, active, activated by, and just say okay. it will get added that column. You see this here. Let's click back again. And even if you want to move up, you can move up. If you want to remove any column, just click here, delete. So you can move up and down as per your need. And even there is a sorting option also. You can add a column to sort also, on which column you want to have sorting the data, and say OK. Now let's move on to create the folder to organize your queries. Click here, stay, let's save this, click here, and you can find all your query. But as I told you earlier, if you there is a very big project, it's difficult to organize. Now let's have a look on shared query. I'll create one shared query, new query. Let's create for all the bugs. I'll just select work item type bugs. So, and state is, I'll say any, no, in progress. Let's run it. There is no item. Let's, as of now, just have any. There is 2 bugs. Okay, and save this query. I'll put in the shared, give all open bugs. Okay. As of now, I'm not putting the right state, but you can put a right state. Here, this is just for test, make sure everyone understand. The 7th agenda is I need to show you how to give access to other users. That's the reason I created this one of the shared. You see all open bug. Click on this 3 dot and click on security. It's a little bit slow, and type here robot, and you can set the permission. By default it is coming read, allow. At least you need to give one access to read. Manage permission, delete, contribute, you can allow, and that's it. That's way robot also having access to this query, and he can download the data. So suppose you've written some complex query, you robot no need to write again the same query, he can make use of this query. So I'm coming to the last agenda on the query. Let's have any one of the query. Let's go to that and I need to show you how to download or send email. Click on this 3 dot, email query. So this pop-up will come. Subject as per your need. Note you can write. User, suppose I need to send to robot, and just click on the send. It will, email will send to this. Okay, and the the next option is download as a CSV file. Click on here, and you see you can, this data is downloaded. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this. If you have any comments, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any query clarification, please write in the comment section. As soon as I'll find time, I'll try to respond to your query. Thank you very much. Have a good day.